everyone, this is me Vajan, and today I'm here with another interesting video. So recently we launched an OpenAI integration in our platform. So we have the new integration for ChatGPT 3.5. The latest ChatGPT integration is also available. But in this video, we are only gonna talk about the embeddings, how you can build an embedding with embeddings, how you can build a smarter chatbot within our platform. So basically, you know what is embedding. Like you are using the GPT model from the OpenAI, so it doesn't have any data like related to your business or your use cases. So for example, you want to build a chatbot. So when a user asks something to your chatbot, you should talk about your business only. In that case, embedding is what something you need to use for it. It's a little different from fine tuning. So our platform is one of the platforms that have the native integration for embeddings. You can train your chatbot, use the you can build your own chatbot embeddings here. You need to provide an heading. You can provide the data for here like that. So you can, and once you've done creating an embedding listing, then you need to click on the regenerate button and confirm it and save it. If you have a CSV file, have all the information, you can upload it also. That also works within our platform. So once it is done, the integration is done, you need to first of all this has to be done first before you're building the bot. You can find the integrations, and in that in the artificial intelligence, you can find the OpenAI integration. So here you can provide your API key from OpenAI. So this much is done. For the embedding, you need to have this also be built first, then only you can build the chatbot. So first of all, I have a chatbot created here. So let me walk you through the flow and you will get a better idea. So here you can see the first question. We are getting an input from the user. We are mapping that input to the OpenAI embed matching integration. So I'm putting the value here. So for example, let me ask what is Rapidbott. So it gives all the response from the embedding, looking into embedding and finding a match. So support at rapidbott.com, it has Rapidbott keyword. So that heading has been this is the only value, that data we have respond to Rapidbott, what I have just given here. So in this step, what you can do is you need to save this score into a variable. So you can type the variable name or you can create a variable here. So the mapping the based on our testing and trial and error, what we understood is if the score is above 0.79, that means it is something related to the topic what the user is searched for from the embedding. So you can map the entire response into a variable called OpenAI match. You can create any variable you want. You can type the variable name here and select the type as JSON. So this is a JSON format. You need to save into JSON variable. So we already have a variable. We are already mapping that also. And the next thing, if the score is less than 0.79, in that case you have something called items. Items is what you have here. So the headings what you created, all the embeddings you have, that also you can save into a variable in another JSON variable. Here you can see I create a variable called OpenAI FAQ. So same way you can create your own variable here. Let me close this tab. And next thing what we are doing is we are searching, we are looking for the if condition. We are checking if it has a score higher than 0.79, if the match found. If the match is not found, we are just displaying everything as like what all embeddings that we have, we are displaying here, so that the user can select what they are looking for. So we have something called an for each block here. You can load a data from a JSON variable. So if you click on that, you will get an option. You can choose the JSON variable that you want to load. Like once you select on it, you can select, you can click on the items. You can select, you can display what data you want to display it. In our case, we only want to display the heading. That is, user can select based on the heading. You can filter the data. So let me give you an idea, or let's preview what we have here, so you guys will get an idea. So bot is asking, let me search for let me ask the chatbot, do you offer templates? So currently so we don't have anything trained for templates, so it's giving the default options what we have already here. So let me select services, so it gives the services option. Let's try again. So these are the training data we have. Let's ask how do I contact Rapidbott? Let's see. So let's ask this question. So it's looking into the searching the embed match, and it's looking for a match. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. We have a response here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so let's see. Here we have a response. We got a response. Which is we actually have it. This data we already provided here, contact. So it's matching the response, getting a data. So this is not exactly how we given here. So yeah, so like it make a response based on that. So let's go back to the builder. What happens is, if it is higher than 0.79, the score is more than 7, or it's greater than 0.779. That means it found a match. So you can use this next option, embed match and completion. In that you can put the input, AI input. You can provide the AI input, what the user selected, and you can keep a prompt. You can provide a prompt like this. The user asks for the following question. So you can keep the question that is already you can fetch from the JSON that you have, OpenAI match. OpenAI match, that JSON we created. From there you can get the input. The user, this is what the user asked for it. So you can map the input and click on save button, so that we will insert here. So this will keep on changing every time. So based on, because we are from the JSON, it will be automatically updated. So generate a reply with the following contest. The contest is also available. So a match is found. This is the contest. So you can map this also and click on save button. So the contest is also, we know from the embeddings what we have. Based on this, the OpenAI will generate a unique response all the time, and you can test it out. You can test the request. I have already given the data here. So when you do, you will get a new response completion. Like, so you can see it create a new response. Like based on the embedding, it's created a new response. So you can map this variable and you can save it into a variable. OpenAI output, like you can create your own variable and you can map into that variable and you can display the variable. So here I used a question block again, so that here I'm displaying the output. At the same time, the user can continue another conversation. They can type something else now. So what is a chatbot? Let me ask the bot what is a chatbot. Let's see what happens. So here you can see it's an like I'm going back to the OpenAI input again. So it asking the same question here, and it's making a response. It's created its own response. So this is how you can use embedding, and like this entire this is how you can use embed matching and completion. So you can build a smart chatbot for your own business. It can handle most of your FAQs, business related FAQs, much better, and you can have a smarter chatbot. If you have any question, please write in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And you can find this template link below the video description. So you can install the template into your workspace, and you can make your own custom changes and you can play with it. And in coming up week, we will feature more videos related to OpenAI. We will also talk about other OpenAI integration. The latest integration we have is the ChatGPT integration. ChatGPT APIs. We are the one of the first platform have the integration inbuilt, so you can play with that also. So we will give you documentations on that video also coming up week. Yeah, thank you.